Okay, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add modules to your Canvas course. So the first thing you want to do is we want to hit this button or this blue button up here to create a new module. I'm going to call this module 1. You can choose to lock it until a certain time. So if I want to lock it to hide it from my students and hide it from anyone seeing it, I can lock it until a certain time point. So I'm going to lock it until December 31st. And there's my module. So under this module, we are going to create some assignments. So in the first thing I can do is I can create new modules. I can have multiple modules going on at one time and building them as I go. I like to do this because it keeps me organized. But the next thing I'm going to do is create assignments. So if you go to the Assignments tab, click New Assignment, and then title it whatever you'd like to. So I'm going to call it Assignment 1. I'm not going to indent it, but you can indent it up to 1 level, or up to 3 levels, sorry. But I don't see the need in indenting the assignment. It's already indented. I'm going to make 2 assignments just to kind of show you. You don't need to change this to new assignment or click on it again. You just change that to 2. And so there I've got 2 assignments. Now I can reorder these assignments if I don't like the order of them by clicking that button there. But I want to go in and make the assignment more, just give it more pizzazz. So I want something to be in here in my assignment so that my students know what to do. The first thing I want to do is I want to type my content. My first assignment, I generally like to just introduce what the module is going to be about. But in other assignments as we go on, there are going to be some things that you might want to do. So if you're making instructional videos, you can do that by inserting media here. So you click this button with the play. You can insert media and then you can embed. So you can place your embed codes from YouTube. So I can put that right there. And that will create a video. If I want a link, I can create a link there. If I want to embed an image, I can upload an image from my computer or from Canvas or Flickr. To upload images to your Canvas, you want to go to your files here and then upload them, and then they'll be in your pictures. So this box is just going to have all your content. Down here, you're going to change some things. So you might have this be 0 points if they're just doing an assignment, like reading it, looking at a video, whatever. You might make it 10 points, whatever. You can group these things, so you can have them grouped together. You can create new groups. You can display grades as points, complete, incomplete. You might not want to count it towards the final grade. You might require a submission, so they may have to do something with this assignment. If they do, let's say they're uploading something to you. You would say submission type and how you want it to upload. I might want them to upload online to save paper. So I can do file uploads. I can restrict file types. I can choose PDFs only, docs, PowerPoints, whatever. So whatever I'd like to use. They can upload a website URL, a text entry. So if you don't mind if they upload via text, they can write it in the text box and submit it to you. You can make it a group assignment, you can require peer reviews, and then you can set your due dates. So they could have from until, or you can say, I want you to be able to do it until March 31st. So then I'm going to hit save or save and publish. So if I hit save and publish, I need to fix that. But if I hit save and publish, it will come up as green, like it's done. So you'll see that in just a second. So you can see up here it's green. I can select unpublished if I don't want them to see it. So if you don't want them to see something, always make sure it doesn't say published yet. So you can see I've got my content here. I've got how many points it's worth. They're going to upload something to a text box or a file upload, and it's available until then. So then I can go back to my assignments, and I can see it there under assignments. or I can go to my modules and I can see it in a more organized way. Now, when I'm ready to submit my modules, and I want to publish them quickly, I can just check these little green boxes and then it'll publish everything for me. So when I'm really ready for them to see everything after it unlocks, then that's how I do that. I can also unlock it, so I can edit it by unlocking it. So there's how you unlock it, or you lock it, so that your module is available or unavailable. You can see it's not visible to students. The assignments are visible because I made them public, but I just want to take them and go unpublic, unpublished, unpublished, and then they're not public anymore. So that's how you set up a module and some assignments in Canvas. Other things you could do would be a discussion. So you can create a discussion board in your module by either going through discussions or creating an assignment here. So you can change to the different types of things. So there, if I want to create a discussion, I can select my topic. And I can add an item. I can make discussions where they have to do them, so I can make them worth a value. So if you go to your discussion box, you can give it some content, tell them what they need to do, and then in the mastery pass, you can select different things. So you can select graded, allow replies, they must post before seeing replies, allow liking, and then tell when it's due. So you always want to give it a due date. And so there's a discussion post. I hope this was helpful in creating your first couple of modules and assignments in Canvas. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know and I will be happy to help you.